So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to snooze ID on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Facebook account. Then you should have to click, or you should have to scroll down below, then tap on three dot which is available on the side of the ID name. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of snooze for 30 days. Then tap on it. Now you will see here you can even do undo. You cannot see post from for 30 days. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.